Thank you so much for joining me today. So we are looking at algebra, expand and simplify using its distributive law. So the first thing we need to do before we can simplify is we need to expand and get rid of those brackets. Now, when you think about these brackets, you know that this on the outside needs to make sure that it's timesing by everything on the inside. Likewise, this x must times with this x, and it also must times with this 7. So that's how we are going to be expanding. So to start off, I'm going to go 2x times x equals 2x squared, and then plus, because a positive equals a positive, 2x times 4 equals 8x. Now, this positive is next to that x, so it's positive x times positive x. I know it's going to be a positive. So x plus x, x times x equals x squared. Positive, positive, it will be a positive. X times 7 equals 7x. Now, using this, I've got 2x, an x squared and an x squared, so they are like terms, and I also have x squared plus 7x, they are like terms as well. So 2x squared plus another x squared equals 3x squared. And then I have plus 8x squared, 8x plus 7x, 8 plus 7 equals 15x. And that is how we have simplified this. If I would like to factorize, I can leave it in this form, or I can think, what is the same on both sides? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So they both have 3x. I can also write it as 3x in brackets. There's x plus 5. So either one I can write it as. Let's move on to the second question. We've got 3d squared in brackets 2d to the power of 3. Take d in brackets, then we've got take 2d in brackets 3d to the power of 4 plus 4d squared. So the first thing we need to do is expand the brackets. That means 3d to the power of 2 is timesing by 2d cubed and minus d. Now, this 2d here has got a negative, so that's a negative, and it's been times by 3d to the power of 4 and plus 4d to the power of 2. So now we're thinking about that. We're going 2 times 3 equals 6. I've got 2d and I've got 3d that I'm timesing, so that is d to the power of 5. And then there's no numbers there, but look here, the positive and a negative sign, that means it's a negative. I've got 3, and I have 3d. Here I go, a negative and a positive equals a negative, so it's takeaway. 2 times 3 equals 6. And I've got 1d plus 5d, so 4d equals 5d, so d to the power of 5. Plus, and a negative, plus negative equals a negative, so it's takeaway. And I go 2 times 4 equals 8. 8d squared plus 1 equals 3, so 8d to the power of 3. Okay, now that I've done this, the next part I need to do is simplify, and that means thinking about like terms. So far, I have my d cubes that are like terms, and also I have my 6d, my d to the power of 5, which is a like term as well. So I'll start off with this. 6d to the power of 5 minus 6d to the power of 5. That just means I have nothing. So they cancel out. That just leaves me, which I'm going to rewrite, negative 3d to the cubed, which is this part right here. And I've also got this part here, which is take away 8d cubed. So I'm starting at negative 3 and I'm going backwards by 8. I'm just going, okay, 8 plus 3 is 11. So it is negative 11d to the power of 3. And there you have it. So the main thing I like you to think about is make sure that when you expand, you think about the sign that they have to assist you. And then the second thing you need to be thinking about is your like terms to simplify. Really hope that helps you out to understand how to expand and simplify using distributive law.